I had these two ash trees die in my yard and wanted to try and use some of the wood for a future project. So I took a log hoping it would provide some usable wood. The first step I need to take is stripping off the bark. I want to get rid of it now so I can cut larger boards. Next, instead of building a jig, I'm just going to cut a flat side of the log so I can safely cut my boards on the bandsaw. My bandsaw has about a 7.5 inch of clearance, so I am going to cut the log to have the thickest section be 7.25 inches. My thought on cutting this was to use my circular saw to start the cut to have a straight cut, and then use my pull saw to finish the rest of the way. That did not work. So I finished it off with a wedge to split the bottom. How did that skill saw get there? And since that caused a very uneven finish, I used an old plane to flatten it out. There are 4 common ways to cut a log. We got plane sawn, quarter sawn, rift sawn, and live sawn. I choose live sawn for the ease of cutting. As you can see, my shop is significantly underpowered, so the breaker keeps tripping while I run my shop vac and bandsaw. Eventually I get there. While cutting up the log, I met a new friend. This is an ichneumon wasp. They have a very long tail that is used to bore holes into wood so that they can grow their offspring from larvae. I was wondering what all those holes were all over the wood and why these things were flying all over my shop every once in a while. And so I need to pull out all the larvae from the wood. Now I stack all the boards and put spacers between called stickers so that the wood can evenly dry out. I use 2 ratchet straps to keep it all tight, and will check the weight of the stack periodically to see when it stabilizes and no longer loses water. I also paint the ends of the boards so that the ends don't split from losing moisture too fast. I'll revisit the stack when it's all dry and see what we can use it for. I'll post another video in about a year when I'm able to use this, so if you'd like to see what I end up making out of this, if I can, please subscribe and send me a like, send me a message, and maybe give me an opinion of what you think I should make out of it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.